Welcome. In this video I will explain how to increase screen brightness up to 3000 nits on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. First of all, open settings and go to display and brightness section, and then move this slider to the very right to achieve the standard high brightness levels, the static standard high brightness levels on your device. And if you enable the automatic brightness, it may increase your display brightness up to 3000 nits in very bright outdoor conditions. This phone also features an LTP OLED screen capable of dynamically adjusting refresh rate and brightness for power efficiency and eye comfort. And the 3000 nits mentioned previously is for short bursts under high ambient brightness, and it's not sustained full-time brightness on your device. Also, avoid screen protectors or cases that reduce screen light transmission to maximize display effectiveness. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.